former members of the ANC, people of this country, see UMkhonto Wesizwe as a solution to our problems. A politician will not just stay in a wrong place when there is a correct place politically. When you know, I can make a contribution, I can change this country, I can bring real freedom. It is UMkhonto Wesizwe. Why do question them? Because we are also political journalists. You ought to be saying, fine, we understand we've taken your decision. Why do question? Why did you go? If you talk about this comrade and that comrade, they've been in the ANC. They reached a point where the ANC was no longer the ANC we wanted. There was an organization that was established by former members of the ANC that they must go to. It's a straightforward thing. It's not a complicated thing that needs so much questions from the media. I'm telling you the truth. The truth as it is. I thought that if you are a journalist, you ask questions from all directions. Don't ask one-sided, only to find whether there is a small, what we call it. And I'm saying this because why should people be shocked that Baba Mkhunu no mama? Because what we are going to see is many former ANC or ANC members coming to UMkhonto party. But this is what is now the way to final freedom. Why should they take small routes when there is road to freedom? It's as simple as that. The fact